You bought a non-stick pan to make cooking easier, but somehow it keeps losing its coating, food starts sticking, and it never feels new for long. You think the pan is bad quality. You think the brand cheated you. But here's the hard truth. Most non-stick pans are ruined at the sink, not on the stove. One wrong cleaning habit can silently destroy the coating forever. Stay with me because today I'll show you the exact right way to clean a non-stick pan so it lasts for years instead of months. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. Before we start, like this video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon so you don't miss smart kitchen saving hacks like this. Why non-stick pans fail so quickly? Non-stick pans are designed to be gentle cooking tools, not indestructible cookware. The coating is thin, delicate, and sensitive to heat, abrasion, and harsh chemicals. Most damage doesn't happen while cooking, it happens when people scrub aggressively, wash while hot, or use the wrong tools. Once the coating is scratched or stripped, no trick can bring it back. That's why cleaning correctly is more important than brand or price. The biggest mistake, washing a hot pan. This is the #1 pan killer. Taking a hot pan straight from the stove and running it under cold water causes thermal shock. The sudden temperature change weakens the coating and warps the pan over time. Even if you don't see damage immediately, micro cracks form, and that's when food starts sticking. Always let your pan cool completely before washing. Patience here saves your pan's life. Why scrubbers are the enemy. Steel wool, metal scrubbers, rough sponges, and even the rough green side of common dish sponges slowly scrape away non-stick coating. Each scrub feels harmless, but the damage adds up fast. Non-stick pans should only ever be cleaned with soft sponges or cloths. If food is stuck, it means soaking is needed, not scrubbing harder. The right way to clean a non-stick pan, step by step. Once the pan has cooled, rinse it with warm water. Add a few drops of mild dish soap. Use a soft sponge and gently wipe the surface. No pressure, no force. Let the soap do the work. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a soft towel. That's it. Simple, gentle, effective. If you do this consistently, your pan stays smooth and functional. What to do when food is stuck without ruining the pan? If food sticks, don't attack it. Fill the pan with warm water and add a drop of dish soap. Let it soak for 10-15 minutes. Stuck food softens and lifts easily with a gentle wipe. For stubborn residue, sprinkle a little baking soda, add warm water and let it sit, then wipe softly. Soaking beats scrubbing every time. Why dishwasher cleaning is risky. Many non-stick pans claim to be dishwasher safe, but that doesn't mean dishwasher friendly. High heat, harsh detergents, and strong water pressure slowly degrade coatings. Hand washing is always safer. If you want your pan to last, keep it out of the dishwasher, even if the label says it's okay. The hidden problem, grease buildup. Over time, invisible grease layers build up on non-stick pans, making them feel sticky and reducing performance. This isn't damage, it's residue. To fix it, occasionally wash the pan with warm water, mild soap, and a soft sponge. Avoid oily cleaners. Never use cooking sprays regularly. They create stubborn buildup that's hard to remove without harming the coating. Drying matters more than you think. Air drying leaves water spots and encourages residue. Always dry your non-stick pan immediately with a soft towel. Moisture doesn't ruin the coating directly, but consistent care keeps the surface smooth and ready for cooking. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If this helped you stop ruining your non-stick pans, like this video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon for more smart kitchen and cleaning tips. Share this with someone who scrubs their pan like a frying pan because now you know the right way.